Hello everybody, this is Tony here. Back again up here in the Shasta County, over about 40 miles outside of Shasta Mountain. We're down here by Pitt River. I'm at Ruling Creek Campground. As you can tell, it's wet. It's been raining. Snowed a little bit this morning. And now it turned into rain. So everything's wet. You can tell by the fire because the wood is wet. It's smoking like crazy. There's one other camper just up the road a little ways from me. I'm gonna show you the water down here. It's been getting a lot of rain down here, so the water is really high. I was gonna show you with my new drone, but I broke it this morning. Stopped and up by the dam. Tried to take video pictures of the dam up there and the waterfalls and stuff, the water and stuff, and got too close to the guardrail and I broke a propeller on it. So, but you could tell. I don't know if you can tell or not, but water's really come up a lot. It's gotten a lot of rain here. So anyway, I'm here. I didn't get here till last night or yesterday evening, so I stayed in Boerne, California. Stayed in a hotel room. Then this morning got up at 6, went and had breakfast at the Blueberry Patch in Boerne, and then came down here and set up camp. And I'm going to camp here tonight. I'm going to show you guys something. I got a few things since the last time. I got a new Jackery, and also I got the heater buddy. But let me show you what I did. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but hopefully it will. Hope it's not going to be too much of a problem. But we're going to give it a try. So I got the heater buddy sitting here. Got the seat leaned back so it's not in front, and then nothing above it. And then it's when the door shuts the door. When I shut the door, it's a clearance of about 4 inches, 5 inches. So we're gonna give it a try tonight. I got it going right now just to give it a trial try right now. So we'll see what happens. But hopefully it'll keep me warm tonight. If not, I got a sleeping bag to keep me warm. But anyway, as you can tell, it's pretty wet out here. Anyway, that's about all to report. Solo camping again in February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. I don't celebrate holidays that much, but to those that do, happy Valentine's. Anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to do this more often now that it's starting to get as the weather gets nicer. Hopefully this May I might be going up to Yellowstone. First time I ever been up to Yellowstone. Went camping. Been through there. Been through the Tetons, Grand Tetons up in Wyoming, Jackson, Wyoming, and been through Yellowstone, but I never camped up in there. So I always just drove through it. So anyway, have a good one. Life is good. Bye.